Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is TJ and I am a full-time NFT artist, trader, and content creator. I've personally made over 6 figures in gains over the past 6 months trading NFTs, and now I'm just trying to help others achieve their own financial freedom and life-changing results. So if you like content like this and want me to continue making it, please just like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It helps the channel grow and helps others to find this information. I also do daily blockchain gaming and NFT discussion live streams on Twitch, and I give away crypto and/or NFTs to active viewers every single day live on stream. So if that is something you're interested in, my Twitch link is in the description down below along with the rest of my socials. I also regularly do crypto and/or NFT giveaways in my Discord and on Twitter, so feel free to just, follow me everywhere. Quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice because I am not a qualified financial advisor. I've had a lot of success as an NFT trader, but I am by no means an expert at anything. Furthermore, I do not have a crystal ball and cannot predict the future with 100% accuracy all of the time. I'm just a guy accomplishing things I never thought I could, and am trying to share the things I'm learning along the way so I can bring as many people up with me as possible. But please always do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. That being said, today I'm just doing a quick video on NFT liquidity pools and protocols and how you can take advantage of them. So what is an NFT liquidity pool? The simplest answer is that it is just a bunch of people pooling or contributing NFTs together from the same project to create a large pool of those NFTs, which can create some interesting utility use cases and make the assets less illiquid, because NFTs are very illiquid assets. There's things you can buy and then they can go to zero and you can just be stuck with it forever and not ever be able to sell it. It happens all the time. It's happened to me many times. It's happened to most collectors and traders in the space. Yeah, it just comes with the territory. They're very high risk, illiquid assets, but because they're so high risk, they're also very high reward, which is why, although I've taken losses like most people, my net result is very, very green and in the positive. These pools can create some interesting utility use cases that make the assets less illiquid. For example, some of these utility use cases are using liquidity pools to swap one NFT in the project for another, or converting your NFTs into ERC-720 tokens so that they can be fractionalized and or staked for yield generation, both of which can make your NFTs more liquid. Two of the main NFT liquidity platforms are NFT20 right here, NFT20.io, and NFTX.io. Both kind of utilizing a liquidity pool-like framework to do some different things. They don't both exactly do the same things or have the exact same features, but these are the two main liquidity protocols for NFTs that I'm familiar with, at least. If you know of some other, please share them with me. So today I'm gonna be showing you NFT20 and how you can use it to swap NFTs for another NFT in the same collection. So say you are having trouble getting your floor NFT from a certain collection to sell, or maybe you just want to find one more aesthetically pleasing to you to hold. NFT20 makes swapping it out for a different NFT pretty easy. Yes, you don't have to sell your NFT and then go buy another one if you want another one. You could literally just swap it for another one in the project using a liquidity pool. Now, not every project participates in liquidity pools, so this isn't something you can do for every single project out there. Just keep that in mind. But this is a really quick and easy entry exercise to NFT liquidity protocols. The staking and yield farming and fractionalization features available in something like NFTX are a little bit more complicated, but if you'd like me to make a video on that as well, feel free to let me know in the comments below. But so let's just get into our demonstration here. I'm going to show you how you can use the NFT20 NFT liquidity protocol to swap NFTs. First thing you're going to want to do is connect your wallet. Next thing you're going to want to do is look for the NFT that you want to swap. So let's say I want to swap out my my deadhead here. Actually, no, that's not the way we want to do it. We want to come over here to assets, and we're going to search for deadheads. Here we go. So there is a deadhead liquidity pool. There's only 3 NFTs in this pool, so this is a very small pool. The pickings are really slim, but just for an example, just to show you how this works, it'll work. So we click on that, and bam, deadheads is here. Now we're going to want to check this on, swap NFT to NFT. I'm going to go in here, and here's the deadhead that I have in my wallet. So we're going to click that. I'm going to hit select. And then if we come down here, we can see the 3 NFTs in here that we could swap it out for. So we could literally trade our NFT for another in the same project. Just trading NFT straight for NFT. Exchanging NFTs using a liquidity pool. So say I want this one. Now I don't really like any of these, so I'm not going to go through with the swap, but I'm going to select it, and bam. All we have to do now is click approve. MetaMask will pop up. We'll probably have to sign a few confirmations in MetaMask or in your wallet, and then we can hit this swap button, and it is literally that simple. That is all you need to do to use NF20 to swap NFTs. Very, very simple stuff, really cool stuff. Yeah, it's just, I was really surprised how easy and underwhelming it is. Once you just take the time to learn how to do it, because the ideas at first kind of seem overwhelming, at least they did for me. But yeah, this is really easy stuff here. Super simple, anyone can do it. So I recommend going through your collection, checking out NFT 20 if you haven't already, and seeing if you can find an NFT that you potentially like better. And if you really want to start getting a dangerous experience with NFT liquidity protocols, you should look into the stuff that you can do on NFTX. Like I said, if that's a video you guys would like, let me know, and I'll see if I can pump one of those out also. But that about wraps up our video for today. I wanted to keep this kind of short, under 10 minutes. So if you found this content helpful, and or if there's other content you'd like to see from me, please let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell thingy. Later.